I'm here to do a quick unboxing. I tried to get it in some good lighting. My house does not have really good lighting, and I was going to do it outside, but the sun's pretty bright and it's like you still couldn't see. So what I'm going to do is just do the video in the house, and then I'm going to go outside and take like some really good pictures so that y'all can see the true color of the bag. So this is a bag that I ordered off of NORDSTROM rack. MCM had put out some new totes or whatever, so I actually purchased 2 of them, and this is one of them. I'm gonna do 2 separate videos or whatever, so that way you can, you know, just really see it. And they're gonna be real fast or whatever, because it's just a plain basic tote. So here is the first tote. Just okay guys, I'm back. I had to change locations, so hopefully y'all can see this or whatever. So anyway, I got this bag off of NORDSTROM rack or whatever. Where is my phone? I got this bag off of NORDSTROM rack, and they had came out with like several different new tote colors, and so I was able to snag 2 of them. Now one of my totes, because I ordered them as soon as they came out, y'all. Well, the first one I ordered as soon as it came out, and so I waited a couple of days, and I was like, dang, they ain't said they didn't ship my stuff out or anything. So then I get this email saying they had canceled my order because of inventory issues. So I'm like, okay, y'all tell me why I went back on the site, and the same bag that they canceled, it's saying they still had plenty of them available. So that pissed me off. So anyway, I ended up reordering the bag, and then I ordered another one just in case, well, another color just in case they canceled that one again anyway. So I ended up with 2 of them. I may keep both of them, I'm not sure yet. So anyway, let me show you guys what I got. And I just got the bag today, so I'm just not opening it with you guys. I haven't seen or anything. I just took my labels and stuff off of there. So here it goes. Ooh. Y'all. Ooh. So here is the bag. I hope y'all can see that. There you go. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. OMG. Oh, y'all, this is so cute. So this is pink, and I guess this is like a navy blue, because I kept looking at it online and it looked like it was black, but looking at it now, it looks like it may be navy blue, I'm guessing. But this is a pretty pink, and I want to say it's called y'all, let me wait a minute. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to open the door for my daughter. But anyway, so I forgot what I was saying. But anyway, here is the bag. Oh, I was saying they didn't give me no receipt or anything. They suck. So let me undo this little plastic thingy here. Oh, shoot. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just not even prepared today. So, anyway, here is the bag. This bag kind of seems smaller than my other bag, but it may be the same size. So, here it is. And this is, yeah, this is a navy blue. So, this is pink and navy blue. Here's that. This one actually seemed more sturdy than the cognac and black one. So here's the back of it. Y'all, this bag is so cute. And there's the bottom. And then here is the inside. The inside of it's like brown, and then it has the navy blue. And I don't think this, well, yeah, I think this one is reversible too. I think it just don't have the MCM in the inside or whatever. Yep, it don't have the MCM. So y'all was excited to get this one. And I'm going to put a picture of the other colors that they were selling also. I'll put that, I'll include that. But here is the dust bag. Uh-oh. And y'all, let me get my stuff together. I'm so sorry, y'all. But y'all, this bag retails for $650, and Nordstrom was having, they had it on sale for $354.97. So that's how much I paid, and then with taxes and all, it was just a little bit more. But this is the size medium, and this is the Liz Shopper medium bag, and it's in the color South Pink and Brown. And I guess they're saying brown because of this inside right here or whatever. So I guess this is not a reversible one because it just says Liz Shopper medium bag. So I guess this one isn't reversible, I don't think. No, this one not reversible. So I'm fine with that. But this is cute. This is really cute. So there is that, y'all. Super duper cute. And I have been seeing these bags getting resold for, y'all, people been reselling this bag for like $750. But anyway, here is the little pouch thingy. Yeah, I'm gonna tell y'all something that makes me mad. When people be having these and they sell everything separate, y'all, they be making me mad because I be wanting, you know, I'm the type of person, I want everything that came originally with the bag. So if it came with a pouch, I want you to sell me the pouch and the bag. But some people, they'll sell the bag and then you'll see that they have the pouch, you know, separate or whatever. Sometimes they be trying to sell the pouch more than the darn bag. Even though this is considered like another bag. But here is the little pouch. And like I said, y'all, I'm going to take pictures outside so that y'all can see the color, true color of the bag. And here's the inside of it. Here's some little MCM card and stuff. I can't believe they didn't give me a receipt. But I guess they were just trying to really get these out of here. And then this little thing right here, this is like super duper thin. It's like really thin. The little clip thing that you attached it to. I don't know if y'all can see that. Maybe it'll probably ain't gonna focus, but anyway, y'all, that right there is like super duper thin, but it don't bother me. But yeah, y'all, this is so freaking cute. But this is like a pink and a navy blue. Super duper cute. Super cute. So y'all may just keep checking the site. Y'all may get lucky and come up on this bag, because this is cute. This pink is pretty, and I always wanted one of those pink ones, and I want the beige one also, just the plain beige, because they had one that was beige with like a maroon center stripe and the stripes and stuff like that, and it was cute. I started to get that one, but I was like, nah, I want just the plain beige. So here it is, y'all, again. There's the inside. Like I said, this is just going to be a real fast video, because there's nothing really to talk about. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all my new purchase. And y'all, I'm going to sit my tail down somewhere and quit buying all these darn MCM bags. Like I done lost my darn mind. But anyway, just want to show you guys this, and I will be back with my other video. Talk to you guys later. Bye. y'all.